with all the money you have to pay out of the pension, there's not much left for food or clothes or to go anywhere. If you want to go anywhere, the only thing we have that's good is the free bus pass. The only great thing they gave us. When you take the money for the bills, you have to put away money every week for the bills, because if you don't, and the bill comes in, you have no money, you're in trouble, big trouble. But the week that they take the property tax for the house that I worked all my life to pay for, no help from anybody, they want me to pay tax every month for something I owned. Do they do that? They should be ashamed of themselves to take money off a person that's nearly 90 years of age and worked from I was 14 years of age. No help from anybody. I buried my husband when I was 22 years of age. I reared 3 children on my own. No help from anybody. And I think it's a mortal sin that they want us to do with things like that. It's just not fair. And those people in Dublin don't even go into the history of it. All they do is get their big fat pensions. They don't have to worry about the gas or the electricity bill. They don't have to worry where the next feed is coming from or your next pair of shoes is coming from. They don't have to worry about that. But the old people in Ireland have to worry about everything. And it's just not fair. I have no knees, 2 artificial knees. My back is all wore out from working, scrubbing floors all my life. I'm not ashamed to say I done it. I had to do it because I had to rear children on my own. And I got no help, no compensation for my husband's death. But I got through it. I was young and I was very strong, and I still am. And thank God for my health. That's the one thing they can't take from me, is my health. And I'm very happy with that. I'm in the old people's clubs. I go to them 3 days a week, and only for that I would go mad because I was always out. And thank God I'm able to do it still. And there's a lot of us in the one position in our life, we would be lost without them. And the government should stand up and be counted and help those clubs that's helping us, because they forget one day I was like you and one day you'll be all like me. And don't ever forget that.